Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking braised egg dumplings. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare to season the fillings for the egg dumplings. I have with me over here 40 grams of minced pork and 40 grams of prawns, deshelled and deveined, cut into small pieces like this. For the seasonings, it's very easy. Half a teaspoon of salt. Put it in. Half a teaspoon of young ginger juice derived from grated young ginger. Just put it in. Add a few dashes of white pepper. We'll mix them up well together. Now if you don't take pork, you can substitute this with chicken or beef, no problem at all. Mix them up well until they are a little bit sticky. This will take a couple of minutes. Once this is sticky like this, you can easily take out the whole lump. We'll add in 1 stem of a spring onion, cut finely like this, add them in, and lightly just mix them up again. Once you're done with this, we'll divide this into 6 portions and we'll proceed to make our egg dumplings. Now we prepare to make our egg dumplings. Turn on the heat. Using medium-low heat, add in a good amount of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. For this dish, it's important not to use high heat, otherwise you will not have enough time to make the dumpling. So medium-low or low heat will be good. Crack and mix up 4 eggs, approximately 200 milliliters. I'll be using this scoop. Per scoop is approximately 30 to 32 milliliters, so we'll be making 6 dumplings. Take a good scoop up. Put it in. Try to form into a uniform round shape, or as round as possible. Do not worry if it's not. Once you see the base forming up like this, it's time to add in our filling. Put in your filling, press it down a little bit, and simply just cover this up. Very simple. Press it down a little bit. Brown it on both sides, and just turn it to the other side. Do not worry if the pork inside is not cooked, because we are going to cook everything together in a beautiful sauce later. And we'll just brown them a little bit. You want the color to be really, really beautiful like this. Once this is done, just remove it from the pan and we'll proceed to make the rest of the dumplings. Now we're prepared to make our sauce. Heat up your pan using medium heat. Add in a little bit of oil. Add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Fry them until they are fragrant. Move them around. Once you can start to smell them, we'll add in our water. 300 milliliters of water. Just pour them in. Half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. If you do not want to use chicken stock powder, replace the water with chicken stock. Add in also 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. If you want your sauce to be darker, add in a little bit of dark soy sauce. Half a tablespoon or so. To balance the taste, add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Add a little bit of white pepper. Mix them up well. And now we'll slide in our egg dumplings. I'm using medium heat all the while here. Now we'll put the lid on and braise this for 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, beautiful. This is what we want. Now prepare some cornstarch solution. Pour a little bit in, and just to thicken up the sauce, shake it around like this. Beautifully done. Now we'll splash half a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine or hoa diaojiu by the sides. If you do not want to have alcohol, fine, just omit this, no problem at all. Add in also half a tablespoon of sesame oil. Just drip it over. And we'll finish up with some chopped spring onions. And now our lunch is done, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, the egg fragrance, this is really, really good. The fillings with the pork, with the shrimp or prawns inside, with this beautiful sauce. This is really a rice killer. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. 香了。